Hey guys, this is Eric Linder. I am here to demonstrate for you a test that I made using Blackboard. And to begin, I'm going to go ahead and click on Assessments and my content area, Fractions. And you'll see here my little description for this test just says, hey, this is a 5-question quiz. It's going to allow you to demonstrate your knowledge of what a fraction is. You're going to have to order or put some things in order maybe. Maybe add some fractions there with like denominators. I'm going to go ahead and click to start. So for my quiz, I chose to have all 5 questions on one page. Now depending on your population, of course, that might not always be a good thing. For instance, special education students. I would not do this. I would have them all showing one at a time. For my quiz, I chose to do 4 different types of questions. I have multiple choice, I have 2 true false, I have 1 fill in the blank, and then I have 1 matching. I'm going to go ahead just for feedback purposes, choose a couple of these as being incorrect. We all know 1/2 and 1/2 is 1 whole, but I'm going to go ahead and hit false for that. We know that this is false, but I'm going to hit true. For my fill in the blank, I gave them a pattern, and they should know that after 2/4 is 3/4. So they should be able to put that in. And notice these are all saving here, which is kind of cool. I like that. For question 5, I did a matching, where they're supposed to match the improper fractions with their whole number equivalents. So I'm going to go ahead and obviously get some of these wrong. I'm just going to throw these down here. Let's see. And yeah, so that concludes the 5 questions. I'm going to hit save and submit, where I will be able to see my feedback. So what is a fraction? Hey, great job, you got it right. You know what you're talking about. Or incorrect. Why? So I try to throw the students a little bone here. Why is it wrong? Without giving them the answer too much. In this case, I kind of did, but it's okay sometimes. Anyways, guys, that is my demonstration for my quiz, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.